some garden insider tips and tricks that'll make a difference in your yard like this week. And so we are in the thick of the summer planting season, all the summer mixes. The plants, they are looking good. So, yeah.
There's some plants that they love the summer, but they love it when it gets hot. Lantana.
Yeah, it's growing like crazy.
Yeah, so there's certain plants that crepe myrtles. The crepe myrtles are gorgeous right now. And they just love the heat. Yeah. So some ones you can put in right now that really love the heat. So this one's Penta. Pentas come in white and red and lavender and pink and just all kinds of wonderful colors. Loves the heat. It's actually a very heat resistant
It's got a
plant.
cinnamon kind of smell to it. It's got a definite.
Maybe that's why it's
light.
animal resistant.
Well, it could be. Yeah, it's true. Butterflies sure like the taste
yes.
of this.
It's
Oh my gosh.
Very much a good butterfly attracting plant. So definitely a good one.
So pentas they grow about, I don't know, a foot tall, kind of vase shaped.